Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I've partnered again with the Ms. Collection to share with you guys this month's box. Basically, if you guys didn't catch my last video, the Ms. Collection is a personalized or customizable clothing subscription service where you rent the clothes, and you do have the option of buying the clothes if you do like them, and you can customize how many items you want to receive and how frequently you want to receive them, and when you're done wearing them, you ship them back. So it's super cool, and this month's items are beautiful, you guys. They're all right up my alley. I took the quiz. The items that I received were definitely items that I would wear. The sizing is perfect. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got for this month. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what items I got for this month's box, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so this is the first outfit, and I did receive both of these items in the box. I paired them together because I thought it was a super cute summer outfit. It's like the perfect summer outfit. So I would probably pair these either with wedges or flip-flops. White would be my choice of color, but nude as well, but I don't have them on today. So first off, when I got shorts, I'm like, ugh, I don't like shorts. You guys, if you watch all my clothing hauls, I don't think you've ever seen me wear shorts. I just don't wear shorts. I know I might seem weird. I just am not a big shorts person. So I'm like, uh-oh, I hope they're not too tight. I hope they're not too loose. You guys, they fit perfectly. So that's what I'm saying. Like when you provide your sizing and everything, it's dead on. These are super comfortable. So I really do actually like these shorts. And then this top, it's beautiful, you guys. I love it. I love the halter detail. It's got a little like peephole there, or keyhole, whatever you call it. And it's like a linen material. And I love the blue and white vertical stripes. I just love it. I think that this is the perfect summer outfit, casual, or you could dress it up. So the brand for this top is Bishop and Yun, and then the brand for these shorts is Cut From Cloth, if you guys were wondering. So again, this is the first outfit and everything fits perfectly and I'm obsessed with it. I would honestly also pair this top with some white pants. I know I say that in like all my videos. White pants would go really nicely with this top as well, with some wedges. So this is the first outfit that I put together. So this is the next top that I received, and I just kept the shorts on because I still think that this is a cute outfit. I'm obsessed with this top, you guys. I love the like fluttery ruffle sleeves, but it's cool because there is a slit at the top of the shoulder, which is nice. It's just a really nice loose fitting shirt, very comfortable. It could be casual, it could be dressed up, and I think it looks good with these shorts, you guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I love the color of it, especially because we're kind of almost going into like fall a little bit. So this would be a perfect top for like August, September, when it still is warm out. It's just a really nice like burgundy maroon color, or even like a berry color, if you will. And the brand for this top is Bobo, if I'm saying that correctly. I'm looking up there because I have the card up there that tells me. So yeah, I really like this. It's really comfortable and it's just casual. You could pretty much wear anything with this. You could wear jeans, you could wear white pants, you could wear black pants, you could wear a jean skirt, anything. It's just one of those tops that goes with everything. So the last item is this stunning dress. I'm obsessed with it. This is obviously my favorite item in the entire box. I absolutely love it. Again, it's kind of got like that slit detail. Obviously the sleeves are a little bit longer than the last top, but it's got like that slit detail, which I really like. Now this does go down like a little bit lower, but it's not too bad. And it was kind of cool because it's like one of those wrap dresses, so I had to kind of like wrap it around and tie it in the back. And I just love it. It's so comfortable. It's like a high-low, but not like a super high-low dress. It's a little bit higher in the front than it is in the back. You could wear this casually, but more so dressed up. I would love to wear like a either white wedges or some white heels. I mean, you could even wear like pink or nude because there are, you know, a couple different colors in this. I just love the flower detail. I'm obsessed with this dress, you guys. Oh, the brand for this dress is ASTR, if I'm saying that correctly, and apparently this dress alone retails for $110, so you're getting it in the subscription to rent. So that's super cool. I'm just obsessed with this dress, you guys. I just feel like a princess in it. It's so beautiful. It's so comfortable. Again, it fits like a glove. It's not too tight or anything. So this is the last item that I received in my box. Hey you guys, so that is it for this video. If you guys are interested in signing up for the subscription service, I will have a link down below. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.